Demonstration of two connection methods. Swipe right to open the QR code in the side menu. Open the Made to Fit software and click on the device. Click on the upper right corner to scan. Scan the QR code to connect. The second way is to click on the Bluetooth connection. Replacing switch machine logo demo. Click on the DIY logo. You can choose to take photos as the on-off interface. You can also choose the picture in the photo album as on-off interface. The upload is successful. The startup and shutdown interface has been replaced.